might as well just leave the comment section, because if you comment what you think you about to comment, you're getting blocked. But today we got he got reincarnated into a vending machine. Now I don't know how I feel about that, but you reaching my little thing, you gonna find a nice size chocolate bar. You know what I'm saying? If I was a vending machine, but let's see what happened with Buddy here though.
Okay, so basically I ran into the isekai of all isekai, reborn as a vending machine.
How do you have an isekai about a vending machine? And I did see this somewhere. Where have I seen this?
It seems like they're making anything an isekai now. Reborn as a slime, reborn as a sword. Bump it, we might as well do reborn as a dick. Bro, come on, that sounds hard. Literally.
It sounds hard. Come on, man. Only if you got Blue Chew, code name, Big Holla. When you check, I'm just kidding. I ain't got that. I just been seeing it on Twitter mad times, bro. I don't know who the chick that y'all got on these Blue Chew, you know, commercials with the fade. Look like thick Daphne. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't know who that is. Chat. I know you're watching this video like, Mom, don't worry about who he's talking about. Just tell your mom. Daphne's from Scooby-Doo.
Nah, for real. Back to this catastrophe of a show. It starts off with my man's on a moped, which is already red flag number one. Bro, you gotta be an itch with the B in front. Out of all the things you can use your V-Bucks on, you use it on a moped? Not to mention my man's stature is terrifying. Discord dweller moderator status. Wait, is that Clark Kent? Oh no! Now me personally, when I see straps getting loose, I cover my booty hole. I peep what my man Clark Kent done. Oh no, that vending machine is about to fall. I must save it. Oh, Sample Apple. Blood is not Superman. Huh? Wait a minute. I'm a vending machine.
That's crazy.
Well, I mean, I guess I always wanted to be double stuffed like an Oreo. Hear ye, hear ye. So yeah, this show is real, and you come to find out that there's a point system. 1 point equals 1 hour of life. You gain points by selling items. But my man's got the worst spawn point of all time. Bro looked up the wrong seed. Oh no, I'm in the middle of nowhere. How else am I supposed to let people eat up my insides?
Hey yo.
Plot armor. Bro, is that the frog forger? Yep, a mythical frog just pulls up out of nowhere and proceeds to beat my man like I would want Ice Spice to do to me. Pause. Their ability going down. So another thing my man has to worry about is his health bar. The good thing is my turtle man's is going dream punching. My man was shooting blanks with the beats. Ribbit. Oh no, now my man's in a turtle bang. Oh no, what do I do? What do I do? All these big brolicky turtles are literally breaking my back. I feel like this shawty right now. Wait a minute, I have the option to Doman expansion? Let's go.
Hey yo.
Get wrecked, monkeys. Those are frogs. Yup, my man just turned into the cube from Fortnite. Then proceeded to consume a chug jug and gain his durability back. However, my man has still made no revenue like a 4X N-word. Time skip, damn, I can't believe I'm about to die.
Bro, where did the 4Xers go, bruh? I ain't seen 4X in like a year. Ashley, appreciate you pulling up.
Go in the middle of nowhere with big pockets, maybe? I'm so hungry and need food.
Man, I fell down to my knees when the
What's that? Oh, this shit kind of look like the battle pass.
What's good, bitch? Insert currency.
This thing need money? Let's try this. Did it just moan?
Insufficient funds.
Let's try this.
Wrong type of coin.
I'm about to blow. Oh, let's go. Let me click this.
Drop sound effect.
Now what?
Stick your hand in me, bitch.
Huh?
Your hand in my lower area, bitch.
Nope. Oh, your inside juices taste so good. So after slurping up all my man's juices, she does what any shawty would do to me after consuming me like a mini shield. She picks him up like a little slut and brings him home.
You're coming home with me, boy.
Hey yo.
The skadoodle. Hold on, let's take a little breaky.
Panda,
Let me
appreciate you
gobble you
pulling
up
up.
real quick. Then she pulls up on these two freaking losers. Not only would I beat these guys in a boxing match, but how does my man's here have a box cut with a widow's peak? I'm not trying to get ethical, political, or geography, but how were you able to equip this cut? I know for a fact you don't know how to electric slide. And this other dude, he's just bald.
You might as well just leave the comment section, because if you comment what you think you about to comment, you're getting blocked. The choice is yours. Huh?
that guy. Ooh, what is this thing?
This man has eyebrows in the back of his head, bald ass N-word.
That wasn't very nice.
Shut up, Johnny Good Deeds.
Go.
Now after these guys served up all the bros juices like a Lil Nas X music video shoot, Shawty somehow runs into a girl getting bullied, no Rockstar Games.
Hey, little girl, insert cupcake joke.
What the fadoodle? Get her! Shawty missed that punch like I missed my ex. Exceptional! Code with Gamer Subs, go ahead and use code Mars. Anyway,
You got me, you got me, you got me.
started getting hella customers like an OnlyFans model with a fat bottom region. Ho started slurping him up like he was a fresh tata to a newborn child. Shit, at this point, I gotta see what this man's cooking. Yes, 1 titty milk, please. But no cap, dizzily! Just like OnlyFans models Cooter McCatter, my man started to get a little too saturated. So we had to switch up his inventory.
Oh shoot, new DLC items. Drop sound effect.
Hey, yo!
Gulp. That just enthralled my whole throaty woody. Oh, and it's so creamy.
Now my man's turned into
Said White Holla, that's
Chamberlain.
crazy.
Pump it. Everybody in town getting glizzy. With all that being said,
Yo.
I think there was one guy who couldn't bear it anymore.
Come on, that was a good one. That was a good one.
Now you wouldn't believe the direction that the show is about to take. Why is it so squirty?
Bear noises.
Wait, is Shawty about to attempt to fight these dudes? Last time I checked, Shawty got the punch accuracy of a noodle stick. Oh my gosh. Great googly, I actually hit it. I hit it good too. Wait a minute, did my vending machine Giat balance out her power? We may be a better duo than Demi Lovato and Cocaine.
Yo, nah, that's crazy. That is insane.
Focus, come into my body. Power of the squirter. Squirt! Please do that again.
They
Hey,
keep
yo.
respawning.
Now with all these turtles respawning, like me going round 15 with my bottle of lotion, and everybody else on the battlefield, other than Squirtle, having a combined skill level of a singular fruity pebble, they needed new reinforcements.
What about that, Philly?
Yo, Asta, shut up! Ribbit from the sky! Yo, man, extension! You just got knocked the freak out! Now, hold up. What I need y'all to do is peep the power of
That cowboy. Oh, yo, damn, beat. I see your little power you got with that little punch.
Captain. Don't flatter
She
me
carrying
like
a whole
that.
vending machine on her back, boy.
Washing. It's purring. Enemies incoming. Enemies incoming.
Yo, chat, that thing that they just showed you is a cheat code. Now, if you don't know what it is, you don't know. But if you do know, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and get you one of those. Yeah, you're a guy looking like Holla. Why would I have that? Listen, how many weapons did CJ on San Andreas have in his spin wheel? Right? When you're Kratos in God of War, you got one thing you pull up to the party. You only pull up to the party with a sword, or you got some other weapons. You know what I'm saying? Throw some combos in there. One weapon here, one weapon there. Bing, bada boom, bada bang. I'm just teaching, man.
Coming. Enemies incoming. Bit. Listen, imagine being the head cowboy and a vending machine has to save you out of a situation. All I'm saying is, why is she choosing him and not me? That's why bro can't grow a beard properly. That's why bro got no swag. Notice how bro doesn't have a chain. Cause I snatched it. Captain. This man took my other girl? Wait a minute, is that a magic stick? So she be squirting with her magic stick.
Ladies
yo.
and gentlemen, now presenting Reborn as a Magic Stick.
Oh man, I feel bad for all these booty warriors. Let me help them out with free water.
Drop sound effect.
This gotta be the equivalent to letting the whole football team hit. Me personally, ain't nobody getting nothing free from me. But speaking of letting people dig up in your inside, peep this guy. Yo, who is this dude who looks like Albert Einstein off the Hennessy?
Wait, whoa.
What are you doing?
What are you doing blowing my cover?
Drop sound effect.
Oh, snap, wow, boy, free water. Yeah, you little good boy. Yeah.
Now speaking of being uncomfortable and looking like you gotta unload the load, let's talk about BBL. Because trust me, if times ever get tough, I will be purchasing me a premium BBL, like this vending machine.
Ribbit XD.
Holy cannoli, what is that thing? I don't know, but it looks fired
Purchasing a
up.
BBL. What he mean by that?
That was a good one.
Yeah, he looks really this?
Drop sound effect.
Oh shoot, how do I as a vending machine communicate to how to do this?
Stick it in. Stick it in. Stick it in.
Why is this machine so kinky?
Squirt bit. Squirt bit. Squirt
doing the
bit.
mental
Wait
squirt.
a minute, if I stick this in this hole, then I can make it squirt. Bloop, 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 bloop. Y'all ready? Squirt in his eyes.
So they really are on this show having a squirt off. All right. Now I done heard some Twitter spaces where they was.
Bro couldn't handle getting squirted on. Just letting all the ladies know watching this video, I can handle it.
It's a nasty boy right there. That's a freaky boy right there. He's the, hey, listen, if I was a vending machine, like I said, you're reaching here, you know what you're getting, man. You know.